far for Miguel Oliveira. He has not put a foot wrong. Keeps that KTM, wheels in line. Zarco going in hot again into turn 13. But here we go then, Miguel Oliveira, just a couple of corners left for him in this first Indonesian Grand Prix in 25 years. It has been well worth the wait. Fabio Quartararo is going to take second place, but through the final corner then comes Oliveira. Miguel is the man in Mandalika, a famous win here for KTM in our first Indonesian Grand Prix in a quarter of a century. A brilliant podium, really good second place there for Fabio Quartararo.